Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to scan for viruses in Windows 11. Now in order for us to get that done, let's go ahead and just open the Windows here and go ahead and type virus. Now you should be seeing this one, virus and threat protection. This is what we want, so I want you to go ahead and open this one. Now, if you're going to head over to virus and threat protection, click the quick scan. You should be able to scan here for threats actually. However, there is an option, scan options right here. Click that one and you should be seeing different scan. Say for example, I want to scan the entire PC. I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here. What if, say for example, I have a target location that I want to scan specifically because I think that's where the virus is, or there are some files that I don't really want to be deleted. Go ahead and click this one right here. If you're going to click this one, for example, it's gonna allow you, or it's gonna ask you to locate a folder that you want to scan, or it could be a drive. Say for example, let's head over here and let's say for example we want to scan this one. Let's say, for example, this is your drive. You can go ahead and click select folder right here, and it is going to scan that for you. As you can see, it's almost done scanning. And depending on how big or how large the files you want to scan, this can take quite some time. So, yep, that is, or those are some of the options that you can do in order to scan here. Again, everybody, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.